Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Animal Jam. It's Tuesday here, and yes, if you can hear like really loud noises at the background, it's raining heavily and there will be a storm. As you can see on my screen, there is a new animal, and it's an alpaca. Since we already have llamas, we can't have another llama, so it has to be an alpaca. That's what I'm thinking. Comment down below what you think, an alpaca or a llama. But I'm thinking an alpaca because there is already a llama and it can't be two llamas, like seriously. It can only be one. So it has to be an alpaca. If you want to see it, it's in Canyon's Pathway. And yeah, you can just find the alpaca up here in Canyon's Pathway. There's not much, but let's go to the art studio. I'm just really bored, so I just want to go to the art studio. Okay, let's draw something. Let's write my name in bubble writing and see what happens. I'm terrible at bubble writing when it's on computer, but I'm actually pretty good on handwriting. Okay, right now I'm failing because it's not working. And yes, the wind is really loud and really sorry about this, guys. Oh, we can hear. Let's go back to paintbrush. Let's add some color. Whoa. Okay, I do not want a really big one, but okay, that's really big. I think we'll go with this side. Okay, let's see what happens if we do this. Mirror it in. Okay, it looks kind of cool. Maybe in the next episode, we'll do an art lesson. We'll do an art lesson. Actually, oh no, don't send it to AJHQ. They're not gonna like it. Okay, so that's the end of my video. And I'll see you guys in the next video if I find another animal. And we'll do some art studio lessons and yeah. See you guys. Have fun playing Animal Jam.